What's up everybody, welcome to Money Management channel. My name is Andrei and today I'm gonna be doing an update on MULN stock.
I got the cash in the bag, stadium packed, born a rock star in this life, gonna live it up.
And in today's video, first of all, I will show you where we are on the price chart and how we caught this movement to the downside, during which this asset lost about 40% of its value within just 7 trading sessions. Then I will continue with the fundamental news and I will show you what news you should know about this company in order to make your own proper decision of investment in this company. And at the end of this video, I will share my thoughts and my technical analysis, and I will show you what should we expect next. So let's start with the price chart. I made my previous video just a couple of days ago when this asset was at roughly 36.5 cents price point. And my main assumption was that because of this breakout below the range of support that was set by me at the level of about 40 cents, we have more chances to see even lower price targets. And as you can see, it happened exactly as I predicted. And guys, I have to say that I don't have any position on Mullen and never had. And I do my due diligence on this asset with only purpose to preserve your capital. Because there is a lot of people who invested, so-called invested in this company without proper due diligence and who lost almost the entire amount of their capital. And because of my videos, there are more than 40 people who preserved their capitals and who saved a lot of money because of my videos alone. So, and let's continue with the fundamental news. Definitely you know that the reason of its most recent drop in price for more than 20% is the upcoming potential reverse stock split. And let me show you this news that was published on October 19th, and it says Mullen Automotive files preliminary proxy statement. And in this statement you can see that the total number of shares outstanding is more than 287.17 million. And if you compare it with this number on TradingView of 182.679, you can see that this number is outdated and we still have a lot of dilution on the table. That is why you have to be very cautious. And guys, a lot of people don't know whether or not the dilution continues. And let me show you what should you do. First of all, definitely their official statement of 287.1 million shares shows that we are about to see even more dilution. But guys, if you take a look on their previous statement, when they updated their plans to produce Class 3 trucks and Class 1 vans, you can see that they have in plans to produce 850 Class 3 trucks and 6,000 Class 1 vans in 2024. This means they have to buy these vehicles from Chinese manufacturer. And you know that it is not the real manufacturer. I mean, Mullen cannot produce these vehicles. They can just import these vehicles. But I don't want to dig deeper inside this and prove you that they cannot be a manufacturer. They're just an importers. You can rely on the price, on average price of this vehicle, let's say $15,000. And Class 3 truck, let's say it costs about $35,000. If you multiply these numbers, these prices by this amount, by 850 and 6,000 vehicles, and if you add the cost of deliveries, on average it might take, let's say $2,000 per vehicle, you will have about $140 million that they have to spend in order to achieve these results. And you know that let me show you, if you take a look right here on their financial statements, you can see that their operating expenses is extremely high, about more than $50 million for 3 months. And if you take a look on their cash on hands, and if I remember it correct, they have about 200 millions. They had about 200 millions back in end of July. And this means they don't have enough money to operate, and this means they have to dilute existing shareholders. Or another case that they will not be able to so-called produce and sell these vehicles. So there are two bad outcomes, two bad options no matter what they do, they will lose their money or they will dilute existing shareholders. On top of that, let me show you this due diligence that was made by Smithy accountant 8 hours ago. And let me remind you that she made quite similar due diligence where she found out that the total remuneration of David Michery alone from end of September 2019 is more than $155.5 million. And let me show you what did she found. Remember when DM told Financial Journey that he rejected that last performance award? On July 5th, Michery filed the below Form 4 with the SEC, awarding himself another 6.4 million shares. Everyone was outraged, but then Financial Journey came out and told everyone in a space call that DM said he rejected that award. And the bulls all cheered and ran around pumping the great news. Here is the screenshot of this statement. Well, today we have an official statement declaring DM as the owner of those shares and furthermore intends to vote within those shares. So he lied to shareholders again. And in my previous video, I also showed you the lie of Financial Journey and David Michery about the production of 1,054 Class 1 vans that Mullen Automotive already produced. So, and I have to say that you can read this entire document, this entire article, and you can see that David Michery is consistently lying to shareholders. On top of that, about the dilution, no one pays your attention to this document. It is an amendment to the Mullen Automotive 2022 Equity Incentive Plan, where they add about 52 million shares that are not subject to adjustment for any decrease on increase or increase in the number of shares. This means these 52 million shares will not be reverse stock splitted, and this means board of directors still have these 52 million shares on top of 287 million shares that they already have. So there are so many red flags here and there, but a lot of people rely on these three guys: Financial Journey, Small Bs, and Business Debt. And let me show you this video and the comment section of this video of Small Bs, where he is still pumping Mullen Automotive. And all of these comments, all of these people are victims of their videos. And yes, all of them stated that they are not a financial advisors, and it is not a financial advice. But in general, guys, let's be honest, who is consistently trying to shield these crappy stocks? These people. And that is why do your own due diligence and make your own research in order to make proper decision, proper investment decision. So, and what should we expect next from the price action? I have to say that I don't have any bullish signs that this asset might go higher fundamentally and that might reach some higher levels. Definitely, we might see some spikes in its price, but these spikes will not break previous swing highs. And if this asset will go higher from the current range, even to achieve the price of this asset that was at the beginning of October, the movement to the upside should increase 69%. And there is no fundamental news that might drive the price of this asset this high. That is why do your own due diligence and make a proper decision, proper investment decision regarding this particular asset. So, I think that's all information that I want to provide you. If you like my video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel with notification bell. And see you guys and girls next time. Bye!
I got the cash in the bag, stadium packed. Born a rock star in this life, gonna live it up on the attack. Baby, I'm bad, I just wanna